everyone, today we're going to look at two of the most common joins used in tatting. These are the up join and the down join. Now the up join is also known as a normal join, a basic join and a regular join. This join allows our core thread to slide, meaning we can make a join and still close our ring. Now I'm doing a basic ring and chain combination. If you'd like to tat along, the ring count is 4 picot 3 picot 3 picot 4. And the chain count is 6 picot 6. I'm also making my joining picots quite large, and that's simply so you can see what's going on. Normally my joining picots would be very tiny and the rings would butt up together like they do with this motif. You'd hardly see the join. But if I did that now, it would make it hard for you to see what I'm doing, so I'm going to make larger picots today. Our next ring starts with 4 double stitches. And we need to join our ring back to the previous ring. You can use the pick on your shuttle, or if you have a hook you can use that as well. I prefer to use a separate crochet hook. It's up to you. So to make our up join, our work needs to be on the left side of our core thread. Our crochet hook goes down through the picot, pull up a loop and pop that on your finger. This keeps the loop open and it also stops it from twisting. Our shuttle comes up from underneath and passes through the loop from the bottom up through to the top. We're making an up join, so our shuttle comes up. Give it a wriggle. Get everything to sit nicely. This is where you need to decide whether you're going to count your join or not. You can choose to include the join in your stitch count, or you can ignore it. Either way is fine, as long as you're consistent throughout your project. So we have our 4 stitches and our join. If you're going to include it in your count, you would now make the second half of the double stitch and count that as your next stitch. If you're going to ignore the join and not count it, you just continue on with your next lot of stitches. So as I said, it doesn't matter which way you decide to do it, as long as you have the consistency. Now I don't count my join, so I just continue on with the next set of 3. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, our join, and 1, 2, 3. The down join is the same as the up join in that it allows our core thread to slide and is used in both rings and chains. It's just made in the opposite direction. So again, I've started the ring with a count of 4 and we're going to join back to the previous ring using a down join. Pop your thread behind your picot, come up underneath your picot, grab that thread and pull it down. Pull up your finger. Our shuttle comes from above and goes down through the loop, making a down join, so the shuttle is coming down. Give it a wriggle, make any adjustments, and as I mentioned before, I don't count my joins, so I continue on with my next count of 3. If we have a closer look at our joins, where we've made our up join, you can see the thread running through the legs. For our down join, we have a cap which makes it look more like a stitch instead of a join. So down join is mainly used in front side, back side tatting. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.